Hello and welcome to New Travel Car Company, based in the heart of the village of West End on the outskirts of Southampton. We've been established here since 1988 and we're really proud of our Auto Trader 5-star review status, and also for receiving one of the highly rated awards for customer service from Auto Trader for 2021. So thank you to Auto Trader, and more importantly all of our previous customers, for both those wonderful accolades. Today I'd like to show you around our latest car, this 2014 14-plate Citroen C4 Picasso. Absolutely stunning car, perfect for families. This is the exclusive specification and it has the 1.6 HDI engine. Fantastic fuel economy, and you benefit from only £20 a year in your road tax. This particular car's got 64,000 miles on the clock. It's a really nice specification. Around the back we've got colour-coded reversing sensors set neatly into the bumper, but in addition to that you also have a rear-facing camera. Got lovely alloy wheels, all in great condition. They're 17-inch. Then we've got a mix of colour-coded and chrome trims on the vehicle, so door handles and around the windows benefit from the chrome look, and then you get all the colour-coded mirrors, etc. It's got a nice chrome trim around the window line, just gives it a bit more of an individual appearance. Whereas around the front you've got daytime running lights and the LED indicators as well. So really nice, fresh, modern look to the vehicle. As we come inside now, it's a perfect amount of space, really generous, light, airy cabin. You've got two-tone grey seats, all in really good condition. You've got additional adjustability for the height, so you can get yourself really nice and comfortable in the car. Whereas on the door card now, really nice and stylish affair. The French always come up with really good designs, and Citroen no exception on this occasion. So you've got a mix of materials that just keeps it interesting. So we've got nice hardware and plastic at the bottom. The chrome finish around the door handle, a sort of satin chrome effect. Then got this sort of modern geometric art style pattern on the handle rest. And then we come around to all the controls. Starting at the top, you've got the controls to adjust your mirrors, then to fold them in, and then front and rear electric windows. So really nice design on the door cards, all everything to your fingertips. As we come across the rest of the car now, we've got a mixture of gloss black finishes to the car. So first of all we've got the option to turn off your interior alarm and then to adjust the illumination on the dashboard. Got a leather trimmed steering wheel. Up at the top left hand we have the controls for your cruise control. On the opposite side all your volume, etc. And then the option for your hands-free phone operation. As we come across the rest of the dashboard now, it's a really nice modern futuristic appearance. Got a couple of different screens that all disappear when the engine is switched off. So first of all, you've got keyless operation here. You've got the start stop button there, and then just beneath it you do have an option to put the key in the dashboard, but as at the moment it's in my pocket and it all works fine, and you're able to leave it in your pocket, your handbag, or put it in the dashboard if you prefer. So this lower section of the screen, this controls all of your radio. You've got options for DAB, FM and AM. Also controls for your heater, so this is all touch screen. So all responds nice and quickly for you as well. And we also benefit from satellite navigation and the option for your Bluetooth. Then got a variety of different settings so you can personalise the car that little bit more for yourself. Whereas on the upper screen here, which is mounted right in the centre of the dashboard, this displays all of your other dials and instruments. So you'd have your speedo, where you can see the big 0 on the right hand side. Above that is your fuel bar. Set neatly to the left of that is the display showing what seat belts are in operation. And then we've got all your trip computer and your mileometer, as well as your temperature. It doesn't take long to get used to where all the displays are, and it is quite nice and intuitive to use, and displays lots of information, and you can just easily focus in on what you're actually looking for at the time. One of the really nice features of this C4 is this large opening windscreen. So it gives you lots of additional light. These sun visors do move, so you can lower that down if you wish to do so, to give you more of a traditional feel to the windscreen, or raise them back up on the slide runners here to give you that extra daylight and light and airiness to the cabin. One point that I forgot to show you earlier when I was turning the screen is obviously the reversing camera itself. So as you switch into reverse, that comes up, and that also gives you the visual diagram showing how close you are to something. So that, with the parking sensors, gives you the best of both worlds. As we come round to the passenger side now, again, equally great condition. You'll notice it's a little bit clearer to see on this side. Both front seats benefit from side airbag protection systems. So safety is obviously all paramount, and you also have a passenger side airbag through the dashboard as well. You'll see these nice little chrome trims continue around the dashboard and the tops of the air vents. Just gives you that nice sort of stylish approach. And you also see a little bit better on this side. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox and an electronic handbrake right in the centre there with the illuminated P. Matching door card to the side of the driver, and that also features your electric window as well. As you come in the back now, I'll say this is really perfect for families. We've got 3 individual seats, so gives you much more flexibility with child seats. And a really lovely feature is that each one has its own individual ISOFIX points. So we're able to put 3 seats across here, and where they are, all the individual seats, you gain that little bit of extra space. All in great condition, really perfect for the families. Matching door card on the back here, and that includes electric windows, and you've also got these retractable little sun blinds as well. With further notice, on the back of both the front seats, we've got a little flip down tabletop and little storage net as well, so great for colouring books and keeping the kids occupied. Finally, in the boot now, really generous size. As you can see, with the other benefit with both those, or all 3 of those seats being individual, is that you can actually drop down each one in turn, or all 3 if you wanted to increase the load capacity dramatically. But yeah, really nice generous size. Obviously got the parcel shelf as well. We've got a moulded boot liner here that keeps it all nice and neat, whereas underneath you've got space for all of your inflation kit, which is on order and will be in there shortly. So yeah, really good family size. So there we have our little C4 Picasso. Hopefully that gives you a better insight into the vehicle and all the features of it. We'd love to see you down here, so pop down to the forecourt and have a look at the car in person. And we also welcome your inquiries through our website, email and telephone also. Thank you for your time today, and we look forward to welcoming you to New Chapel Car Company.